Hello children, today we are going to learn how to write an essay. Now essays or articles are longer pieces of composition. An essay is a written composition giving expression to one's personal ideas or opinion on some topic. Now what makes a good essay? The following things must be kept in mind to write a good essay. It must focus on one theme and its development. There can be various thoughts about the same subject, but irrelevant details should be avoided. It must follow certain order, that is, the idea should flow naturally and not be arranged haphazardly. Essays should not be very long. An essay between 200 to 300 words would be ideal. Essays should generally be written in formal style. An essay should reveal personal feelings and opinions. Now there are many types of essays. Descriptive essays. Essays which describe some place, person or thing are descriptive essays. Narrative essays are essays in which some incident or series of events is described. There are reflective essays. In this kind of essays, in which a thought of a person or individual opinion is described. In imaginative essays, the writer imagines the feelings or events of someone else or describes it in his own words. Argumentative essays are essays in which one may support or oppose ideas strongly. Now we will briefly discuss the structure of an essay. So first we give the introduction. An essay must have an interesting introduction to arouse the interest of the reader. It should be brief, clear, and thoughtful. Then comes the body. It comprises the main points of the composition. It should be divided into paragraphs, each paragraph dealing with one idea which is connected with the main idea. All points should be elaborated in the body and the sequence of ideas strictly maintained. Finally comes the conclusion. It should leave a lasting impression on the mind. It should be convincing, the introduction and body leading to the impressive end. The style of the essay should have a flow and clarity. Language should be simple and grammatically correct. Now, for example, we will take a very simple essay. The topic of the essay is my best friend. So, you can write it like this, which is given below. So, go through the essay. You will read it and understand how an essay is written. Now, coming to the assignment part, children. You can write an essay on my aim in life, save the environment, impacts of coronavirus, what did you do in quarantine, impacts of coronavirus in our environment. Now, if you choose to write an essay on my aim in life, then you can start off like this. Every man has an aim in life. Different persons have different aims. My aim is to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession and teacher is a nation builder. She teaches the students moral values and makes them well disciplined and hardworking. She makes them regular and punctual. She teaches them how to lead a country to greatness. Thus a teacher molds raw minds into good citizens. These citizens are the leaders of tomorrow. As a teacher, I would perform this duty truly. I would serve the country in my own way, and likewise you can elaborate this essay into 200 to 300 words. Thank you, children.